Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super refreshing and tangy dish called the spicy and sour radish. It's seriously addictive and perfect as a side or snack. First, wash your daikon well. You don't need to peel it. I'm cutting this whole daikon into halves, then quarters. And finally, cut the daikon into slices that are evenly thick. The thickness really matters here to keep the texture just right. Once all the daikon is sliced, we are going to pickle it a bit to get rid of that natural raw daikon smell. I've got about 1.5 kilograms of daikon here, and I'm adding 45 grams of salt, 60 grams of sugar. Now just mix it well with your hands. See? As you mix, the daikon starts releasing water. Let this sit on the side and keep pickling. Here are some green and red chilies. Also prepare about 60 grams each of sliced ginger and garlic. Now let's make the sauce. In a bowl, I'm adding 240 grams light soy sauce, 120 grams aged vinegar, and 90 grams sugar. Give it a good stir till everything dissolves nicely. I've got a small bowl here with star anise, dried chilies, and Sichuan peppercorns. I'm pouring hot oil over these to wake up the flavors. Pour the ginger and garlic into the sauce, then chilies, and also the fragrant oil. Let's check on our pickled radish now. The time needed really depends on how thick your slices are. But here's a quick test. Take a slice and try to bend it. If it doesn't snap easily, it's ready. Then rinse it with some water to clean off the salt and sugar, and drain it very well. This step is important. Make sure to drain the water well, or the radish won't absorb the flavors properly. Now pour the sauce over the radish and let it soak for about 30 minutes before eating. If you like it stronger, leave it overnight in the fridge. It tastes even better the next day. Alright, let me try some for you. Wow, so crunchy and refreshing with a nice spicy kick. Perfect with some congee, it's unbeatable. This dish is super simple to make with just a few ingredients. Give it a try at home and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.